everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jenna Matthew.
And I'm Jake Matthew. Welcome to episode 9. Great to have you here.
Today, we're talking about something that English speakers love to discuss, the weather.
That's right. Weather is one of the most common small talk topics in English-speaking countries.
People talk about the weather all the time, at work, in elevators, waiting in line, everywhere.
We'll teach you all the vocabulary and phrases you need to talk about weather like a native speaker.
Let's start with the basics. How do you ask about the weather?
The most common question is, how's the weather? Or, what's the weather like?
You can also say, how's the weather today? Or, what's it like outside?
For future weather, ask, what's the weather forecast? Or, is it going to rain tomorrow?
Now let's learn weather vocabulary. First, sunny weather.
When the sun is shining, say, it's sunny, or it's a beautiful day, or the sun is out.
You can say, it's bright and sunny, or it's gorgeous outside, or what a lovely day.
For very hot weather, it's hot, or it's really warm today, or it's boiling.
You might say, it's scorching hot, or I'm melting. These are casual expressions.
What about cloudy weather?
Say, it's cloudy, or it's overcast, or the sky is gray.
You can also say, it's kind of gloomy, or it's a bit dreary today.
Now, rainy weather, very common topic.
Say, it's raining, or it's a rainy day, or we're having rain today.
For light rain, say, it's drizzling, or it's sprinkling, or just a light rain.
For heavy rain, say, it's pouring, or it's raining cats and dogs, or it's a downpour.
You might hear, don't forget your umbrella, or you'll need a raincoat.
Now let's talk about cold weather.
Say, it's cold, or it's chilly, or it's freezing outside.
You can say, it's really cold today, or bundle up, which means wear warm clothes.
For very cold, say, it's freezing, or I'm freezing, or it's ice cold.
What about snow?
Say, it's snowing, or we're getting snow, or it's a snowy day.
You can say, it's coming down hard for heavy snow, or just flurries for light snow.
You might hear, everything is covered in snow, or the roads are icy.
Now windy weather.
Say, it's windy, or it's really breezy today, or the wind is strong.
For very windy, say, it's extremely windy, or hold on to your hat. This is a fun expression.
Now let's talk about temperature. How do you describe how hot or cold it is?
In the US, we use Fahrenheit. Say, it's 70 degrees, or it's 32 degrees.
In most other countries, people use Celsius. Say, it's 20 degrees Celsius.
You can say, it's -5 degrees for below zero temperatures.
Now let's talk about nice, pleasant weather.
Say, it's nice out, or the weather is perfect, or what a beautiful day.
You can say, it's pleasant, or it's mild, or perfect weather for a walk.
You might say, not too hot, not too cold, or just right.
Now, bad weather expressions.
Say, the weather is terrible, or it's awful outside, or what horrible weather.
You can say, "It's nasty out there," or "The weather is miserable today."
What about storms and extreme weather?
Say, "There's a storm coming," or "We're having a thunderstorm," or "I heard thunder."
You can say, there's lightning, or it's storming, or the storm is getting worse.
Now let's learn how to have natural weather conversations.
Start with, nice weather today, isn't it? This is a very common opener.
Or say, "Looks like rain," or "I think it might rain later."
You can agree, yes, it's beautiful, or I know, right? Perfect weather.
Or complain together, "This rain won't stop," or "I can't wait for summer."
Let's talk about seasons quickly.
The 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter.
Say, I love spring, or summer is my favorite season, or I hate winter.
Let's practice a weather conversation. I'll start.
Okay,
"Wow, it's really hot today, isn't it?"
yeah, it must be 90 degrees. I'm melting.
"I know, and they said it might rain this afternoon."
Really? That would be nice. We need the rain.
"True. At least it will cool things down."
I hope so. This heat is crazy. See? That's a natural weather conversation. Super easy.
Let's review. To ask about weather, "How's the weather?" or "What's it like outside?"
Sunny, it's sunny, or beautiful day. Hot is it's hot, or it's boiling.
Rainy is "It's raining," or "It's pouring." Cold is "It's cold," or "It's freezing."
Windy, it's windy. Snowy, it's snowing. Nice is perfect weather.
Homework: check the weather forecast every day and describe it in English out loud.
And tell us in the comments, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Thank you so much for listening to episode 9. Now you can talk about weather like a native speaker.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.
Next episode, how to express your feelings and emotions in English.
Keep practicing. Talk about the weather every day.
You're doing great. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.